Welcome to Skech spray painting, crafting and do-it-yourself art. And now my favorite part. Yo guys, check out this glowing. Hey yo, what's up my great and awesome YouTubers? Great thanks to all of you who watch my videos and support my channel on each way or another. Especially great thanks to all of you who support my channel by purchasing some of my art through my web store. For all of you who are interested in my art, check down below in the description box. I'll put the link where you can find my art. Yeah, one quick note, I said that in my previous videos also. For all of you who want to order some of my art, I need about 20 to 30 days to make picture for you because I have too many orders. So that is just one thing that you need to have on your mind when you're purchasing some of my art. Also great thanks to all of you who liking and sharing and leaving awesome and supportive comments on my previous videos. Anyway guys, in today's video I'm gonna spray paint one picture for all of you who are Star Wars fans. Sunny and I are huge Star Wars fans. So in today's video I'm gonna spray paint Stormtrooper soldier from Star Wars that will glow in dark. I hope you will like it, I hope you will enjoy it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and let me know down below in the comment box what would you like to see in some of my next videos. Stay awesome, I love you all, and let's go to make some art. Let's go guys! And now my favorite part. Yo guys, check out this glowing. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it, I hope you enjoy it. For all of you who are first time here on this channel and not subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button for more future videos like this. Also for all of you who are interested in some of my art, check down below in the description box. I'll put the link where you can find my art. Let me know down below in the comment box what would you like to see in some of my next videos. Stay awesome, I love you all, and see you in the next spray paint video.